Unfortunately, the same company, it was discovered this week, also had a backdoor installed so that anybody could go in and take over the robots and do anything they wanted with them. That's a problem.
Yeah.
I'll grant you that, Frank. That's
So
a
they had
problem.
these robot dogs, and anyone could, if they were online, anyone could like hack in, see where the robot was, and turn on the camera on the robot to see what it could see. Um, now,
And that's assuming it's only a camera, because those were the robots that were used for my favorite AI device, the Terminator, which had a like a flamethrower stuck on
the
top of it.
fire-breathing robot, yeah.
Yes. Yeah.
Um,
Those are the Unitree dogs.
Now I did see, right? I did also on a. I mean, obviously this is a serious note anyway, but on an even more serious note, I think a lot of the headlines were like, "Ooh, backdoor into Chinese robot. We told you this would happen. The Chinese are going to spy on us all, et cetera, et cetera, et cetera." But I found, I did find one article that pointed out that they were not able to decisively say whether the company intended to create a surveillance backdoor or if it was simply a case of sloppy architecture and sloppy programming, because they also found that robot dogs from major US research universities, including MIT, Princeton, and Carnegie Mellon, could have been vulnerable at some point with the same kind of backdoor.
Yeah.
And so I just find that interesting because, as I've kind of said on this program before, I just feel like there's a lot of like AI reds under the bed type headlines going on at the moment. And there's a lot of posturing from the US about this whole race with China and how things like Sam Altman saying that training on copyright data is a matter of national security because
Right.
China will get ahead and take over the world, etc.
Yeah.
So I just think it is worth pointing out that yes, this was a Chinese company, Chinese robots with a backdoor, but the sane, rational look at it says yes, but it might not have been on purpose, and we think the same thing might have been in lots of US robots.
Never, I mean, as a rule, never assign to malice what can easily be done with incompetence, and this may well have just been plain
Yeah.
incompetence.
Yes,
And
but
to
but
those
but
same
to put the
people,
two stories together, we are looking
yeah,
at kickboxing robots that could have a backdoor into it that could allow anybody to take it over.